that if you have really encountered the gospel, see, you must see it in your way of life. Also, there are many people, they feel that by reason say the way and what is on why are there. But you guys say, hey, what you pass him the Muhammad Yesu. Cafes na. Obi to me feel how he or she was living in the world. One lady in church, a lady came to give a testimony by the microphone and said, praise the Lord. I said, first and I'm name Yesu no. Let me two coin. My name member. Yekoha. Nensu mi be hu Yesu no. Say me nko baby. And the screaming with which she was talking about that way of life that wasn't good. But as soon as she talked about the way of life in God, I say, yeah. But if you have really encountered the gospel life, it's a life of transformation. It's a life of renewal.